Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the cozy world of country style cottage home decor. If you love warm, rustic, and vintage inspired spaces filled with charm and comfort, you are going to enjoy this video. Let's explore some beautiful ideas to turn your home into a peaceful countryside cottage retreat. Country style cottage decor is all about creating a warm, peaceful, and welcoming home filled with comfort and timeless charm. Natural wood furniture brings warmth and rustic beauty to every cottage inspired room. Layering crochet blankets, soft cushions, quilts, and linen curtains makes the home feel extra cozy and inviting. Vintage decorations like antique clocks, distressed lamps, and old teacups add character and nostalgic charm. Fresh flowers and small indoor plants bring natural beauty and freshness into a country cottage home. Open wooden shelves decorated with ceramic dishes, glass jars, and oven baskets creates a charming farmhouse-style kitchen. Warm lighting from candles, fairy lights, and vintage lamps helps create a soft and relaxing cottage mood. Handmade decorations like crochet pages, embroidered fabrics, and woven baskets make the home feel personal and comforting. Country cottage style is not about perfection. It is about creating a home that feels peaceful, lived in, and full of warmth. Mixing old vintage pieces with simple modern furniture creates a balanced and timeless cottage inspired look. Soft floral patterns and gentle plaid fabrics add classic countryside beauty to bedrooms and living spaces. Simple rustic kitchen details like wooden cutting boards, hanging mugs, and vintage containers create a welcoming farmhouse feeling. A cozy reading corner with a soft chair, warm blanket, and a small wooden table adds relaxing cottage charm. Nature-inspired decorations such as dried lavender, eucalyptus, and wildflowers help bring the outdoors inside. Wicker baskets are both beautiful and practical for storing blankets, books, and everyday cottage essentials. Light linen curtains allow natural sunlight to brighten the home with a soft and peaceful glow. Country cottage decor creates a timeless home filled with comfort, simplicity, and countryside elegance. Every small handmade detail adds warmth and personality to a cozy cottage-style home. The beauty of cottage living comes from creating a relaxing space where every room feels warm, gentle, and welcoming. Country cottage homes feel most beautiful when they are filled with simple comforts and natural charm. Vintage wooden trays, ceramic bowls, and rustic candle holders add lovely farmhouse-inspired details. Soft pastel colors combined with rustic textures create the perfect balance between elegance and comfort. Use natural fabrics like cotton, linen, and crochet helps create a soft and timeless countryside look. Simple wall hooks with hanging hats, baskets, or dried flowers add charming cottage-style character. Country cottage kitchens often look beautiful with open shelves filled with dishes, chairs, and vintage kitchen accessories. Fresh flowers placed in glass bottles or rustic pitchers bring natural beauty into every room. Decorating with handmade crafts adds warmth and creates a truly unique cottage-style home. Soft lighting and candle decorations help create a peaceful evening atmosphere full of comfort and charm. Mixing vintage furniture with modern cozy touches create a balanced and welcoming cottage interior. Small rustic details like oven baskets, wooden stools, and glazed tablecloths make a big difference in cottage decor. Layering different textures such as wood, linen, wicker, and crochet creates depth and cozy visual warmth. A peaceful cottage home is created by combining comfort, simplicity, and timeless countryside beauty. Decorating slowly with meaningful pictures helps create an authentic and natural cottage-style atmosphere. The secret to country cottage decor is making every room feel warm, relaxed, and filled with gentle charm. Country cottage decor brings together rustic beauty, soft textures, and peaceful countryside charm. Simple wooden furniture with vintage details helps create a warm and timeless cottage-inspired home. A cottage-style living room feels welcoming with layered pillows, soft rugs, and natural textures. Using Woven baskets for storage keeps the home organized while adding rustic country charm. Fresh greenery and seasonal flowers make cottage interiors feel lively, peaceful, and connected to nature. Floral prints and delicate lace details add softness and classic countryside elegance to the home. Country cottage kitchens often feature open shelves, wooden accents, and charming vintage-inspired accessories. Adding distressed wood frames and antique mirrors helps create a beautifully aged cottage look. Cozy reading corners with soft blankets and warm lighting create relaxing spaces full of comfort. Handmade crochet pieces bring texture, warmth, and a personal touch to country cottage interiors. Decorating with simple plastic pieces makes the home feel more natural and welcoming. A country cottage dining table looks beautiful with fresh flowers, linen runners, and vintage dishes. Layering soft fabrics throughout the home creates a comfortable and inviting countryside feeling. Vintage-style clocks and weathered wooden signs add nostalgic charm to cottage-inspired rooms. Country cottage decor focuses on comfort, simplicity, and creating a home filled with warmth. The beauty of cottage living comes from creating spaces that feel relaxed, timeless, and full of heart. Country cottage style turns ordinary spaces into warm and welcoming homes, full of rustic charm. Natural wood textures bring warmth, character, and a timeless beauty into cottage-inspired interiors. Thanks for watching the video.